Hi guys, so it's a lovely day in Leamington as you can see, and we're here starting our new job. This is St Mary's in Leamington. It's a lovely property. We're going to be putting a massive, nice, beautiful extension on the side here, all glass and steelwork going in. It's going to be amazing. So I'll talk you through what we're doing at the minute. As it's the first day, it's pretty much a day of setting everything up. This is the existing kitchen in here, soon to be ripped out. We've got Jack here doing the disconnections. Hi Jack.
How do?
What we're going to do to make it easier for the clients, obviously to live alongside the build, to save them having to hire anywhere or anything like that, we're going to put them a temporary kitchen in here. So we're going to keep these and these, then we're going to put in an oven here and a temporary hob, electric hob. Obviously it's a lot easier to use electric rather than gas, and then we'll put in a nice new worktop across there. Fridge in the corner there. Eventually this will come out and this will be a nice living space in here, but for now this is going to be their temporary kitchen.
Hello.
Hi Jay. So we're currently just getting everything protected. Hi Pete.
Hi John.
We've got to make sure that the whole house is protected because obviously this is the client's house and they're going to be living here during the building works. So yeah, that's about it for now. I'll keep you posted throughout the day. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of the build. We've ripped the kitchen out as you can see. Got our temporary power in the cupboard, ready and waiting for us. Obviously all the electric's been ripped out, so we need a temporary power supply as we're going through the job. Kitchen's up and running. It's been used by the clients last night. Everything's obviously all covered up nicely. Stop any dust travelling through the house. Alright, started ripping this cupboard out. This will turn into a cloakroom, so there'll be a basin on the wall over here and a toilet on the back wall over there. This wall will come down. See the bathroom's being ripped out as we speak. Yeah, so what you just saw in that cupboard, well then this wall will continue across here and then that will then be the cloakroom in there. So yeah, the toilet will be there, basin here. And then in here, the basins go in there, toilet next to it I believe. And then we're having the bath here, shower area over there, and then a nice airing cupboard to enclose all the cylinder and the boiler.